Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So second week of consolidation. We're at the top of the consolidation at the moment, and we do have CPI data coming out today, so nothing's really going to happen on the dollar until that is out. And it depends which way CPI goes. This could move to the downside or it could fly to the upside, so kind of a coin toss situation at the moment the longer we go sideways. Now the moving averages have crossed over, so that is a bearish crossover, although for the trend we use the 150 EMA for the trend. So on the 8 hour we're still above the trend, we are trending up, we're just consolidating at the moment. And then if you look at the oscillators, they are pointing to the upside, but they are separating, which is an indication, as there are indications, that there is something brewing. What it is a little bit difficult to ascertain at the moment. So if they roll over and point down, this is going to be first move consolidate and second move down. So there's a bearish setup that is brewing, there's also a bullish setup brewing, and this is a big diamond formation. Draw your lines along the top there, along the bottom there, along the bottom, along the bottom. That'll give you a diamond, and that is a consolidation pattern. So move down, consolidation, break the lows of the week to the downside, that triggers your shorts. We have broken to the upside, so we'd look for pullback to trigger the longs. Anyway, personally I think it's safer just to stay out of it until CPI has been printed. Onto the 3 hour. This week is no different on the 3 hour. Been in amongst all the moving averages here doing nothing, and now we've got to cross over the moving averages, but the oscillators are heading into overbought territory. So mixed bag of signals, lots of tails, lots of barbed wire, and lots of danger. So it is a range at the end of the day, and ranges are dangerous. So if you just get your level to the upside where price is there, and you get your levels sort of in that area, I'll give them to you now. That is your range. You can see we're top of range, decent rejection bar here, oscillators group to the upside. So don't forget to smack that like button, and your upside level here is 109794, downside level is 109228. so those are the two levels I'm paying attention to. Break to the upside, come back and test, that's my indication we have a trend. I won't say reversal, but we'll have a range breakout, and then we have a fairly decent range target, which will be the height of this range, which is kind of something in the region of 555 points, and that would be the upside target. And then if we break the downside, obviously the same to the downside. One thing to note on the hour is that we have a crossover of all the moving averages at the moment, but this does look like a bit of a flag here. Okay, so CPI is the one that's going to drive this. That'll be the catalyst for today. So I'm not really keen on jumping in on anything at the moment. There is one very big level here, and that's almost in the middle of this range. 150 EMA is here on the 15 minute. So you can see 109555 is your opportunity. So for those of you that don't work and that sort of have time to sit and watch charts, you can see there was a fairly decent long entry here, pin bar, engulfing bar, breakout on the bar, breakout, 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 and we came back onto a fairly decent level. So we were above the moving averages, so we're looking for longs. This break below the moving average would have got people in for a short. A lot of inexperienced people would have been in here for a short, and they would have been stopped out very, very quickly. And you can see they would have started exiting here for major losses. So 109338 was the breakout and retest, and you can see there range bar, indecision, and then a decent pin bar. So looking for that. It's a 100-point stop loss to the top of the range, which is 390 points, so almost 4-to-1 trade. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.